Locates the correct circuit breaker or fuse without turning off the power. Simply plug the transmitter into an outlet and trace for the correct breaker at the electrical box. Transmitter also verifies wiring and tests GFCI operation. Bright red and green LEDs indicate if the receptacle is correctly wired or will indicate which of the 5 fault conditions exists. Convenient storage position for transmitter, receptacle tester. Complete with receiver, GFCI transmitter, and 9 volts battery. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. The CB10 is an AC circuit breaker finder, receptacle tester that locates circuit breakers and tests receptacle wiring. It allows the user to quickly locate 110 volt to 125 volt AC circuit breakers and fuses. When the correct circuit breaker is found, flashing LEDs and an audible beeper provides a no-miss indication. The CB10 also features a variable sensitivity adjustment to pinpoint the correct circuit breaker. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Fast operation. Quickly locate 110 volts to 125 VAC circuit breakers and fuses. Number 2. Multi-sensory signals. Flashing LEDs and audible beepers for circuit breaker indication. Number 3. Adjustable sensitivity. Variable sensitivity adjustment to pinpoint correct circuit breaker. Number 4. Professional use. Locate branch circuit breakers without flipping breakers to other circuits. Confirm proper wiring during electrical wiring installation or repair, and test receptacle ground fault operation. Number 5. Portable. Transmitter and receiver snap together for easy storage. Number 6. Simply plug the GFCI transmitter into an outlet and trace for the correct breaker at the electrical box. Number 7. IR resolution 43200, 240 by 180 pixels. Far exceeds ResNet standard. Measurement modes include 3 spots, 3 area box, isotherm, auto hot, cold spots. Number 8. All listed and CE approved. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.